Hello, it's Kelly here. Today I'll be doing a wrapping and an unboxing of this package that I just received not long ago. This here is a figurine that I won from a Ichiban Kuji lottery here in New Zealand. And I'm so excited about this one because ever since they released the lottery, I've been eyeing this one up, and I finally got it. Plus I got a few other things, so we'll do a unwrapping. Yeah. Now the main thing, the figurine, and it, which I've won. Yeah. Move the camera. Oh. There we go. I got Hancock. I got Boa Hancock. So here we go. Here's the box. Here's the bag. There she is right there. And that's her from the side. Okay. There she is. Actually, she's really gorgeous. And I like her face details. On that, so we'll just do a full go. This is my first Hancock figurine, so oh no, don't focus on the box. Okay, I have to get out of the... She looks really good. I am very happy and I know where to... Stop focusing on the box! Sorry, I'm talking to the camera. There we go. Okay, so that is my unboxing. Apologies so many times because this is the first time I've actually done a unboxing of a figurine. I'll learn for next time if I have a figure to unbox. Actually, I do have an unfigured the box, but that's not until about October, November. And anyway, thank you very much. I'm so happy with her. And yeah, it cost me, yeah, I'm not gonna say how much, how many tickets I bought to, yeah, to win this figure, but I have to say it's worth it. She's great. I know where to put her. I'll put her beside Luffy, and I'm sure, yeah, with one of my Luffys, I'm sure she won't mind being beside him. So yeah, thank you. Please like and subscribe, or like my video and positive comments. And then that, sorry that my voice ain't very excitable like, you know, a lot of people who do these unboxings, but yeah, that's just me. I don't know why I said that. But anyway, thank you very much. You're listening to Kelly, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.